Now, our news team has been gauging the views of young people about the ban. Are they really influenced by music? Anthony Lugg has our report.
The Broadcasting Commission's ban comes at a time when the options for consuming music have expanded to new media. YouTube, Spotify, and Audiomack are just some platforms used by Jamaican artists to promote their music. Students at the University of the West Indies have been reacting to the development.
It was very sudden, the action that they put in place.
Even when people say that this is such an immediate action taken by the Broadcasting Commission, it's not. It's just now a finalizing action that people are now lashing out against.
Banning it on the radios or on the local TVs or traditional TV rather, I believe we will find the music elsewhere.
On the Broadcasting Commission's assertion that music promoting or glorifying illegal activity could give the wrong impression that criminality is an accepted feature of Jamaican culture and society.
It begs the question, what is the Jamaican culture and how many different schools of thought are going to come into it, and what the people in the industry themselves are going to be feeling going into it. It's going to be very interesting.
Music isn't really the integral or like the main source of many things that happen. There are many subcategories to why things would happen.
And then there are concerns about freedom of expression.
The truth on the matter is people like to say that they don't listen to radio anymore, but when you're in a taxi, what are you hearing? Unless the taxi driver have a CD or a thumb drive, you're going to be hearing the radio, and what is on the radio is what you're hearing now, this gun violence, this money, chopping the line, and all of these things. And your subconscious is going to be absorbing this.
So, how will players in the dancehall industry react? That's left to be seen. But
youth are going to feel somewhat subdued by this action. And honestly, I can expect social media rampage, Twitter rampage. I can expect stakeholders from all over having their opinions.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.